Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn about collective nouns for animals. Monkeys. A troop of monkeys. Lions. A pride of lions. Wolves. A pack of wolves. Owls.
A parliament of owls.
Leopards. A leap of leopards. Sheep. A flock of sheep. Bees.
A swarm of bees.
Giraffes. A tower of giraffes. Penguins.
A colony of penguins.
Puppies.
A litter of puppies. Rhinos. A crash of rhinos. Crows. A murder of crows.
Review.
A troop of monkeys. A pride of lions. A pack of wolves.
A parliament of owls.
A leap of leopards. A flock of sheep.
A swarm of bees.
A tower of giraffes.
A colony of penguins.
A litter of puppies. A crash of rhinos. A murder of crows.